What is your name? Last chance or I'm going to get you another charge.
It's still false imprisonment. Going to jail for what?
Right now, loitering and prowling, and then probably whatever either you got.
It's not loitering if it's my friend's home.
Loitering and prowling.
I'm private property in a friend's yard.
Okay.
I don't have a warrant. But anyway.
On January 29th, 2025, Saint Petersburg Police executed a warrant arrest that raised layered constitutional questions. Officers observed a woman walking back and forth in a residential alley, claiming she changed direction each time a patrol vehicle came into view.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not, sir.
Stop on your stomach.
I'm not resisting, sir. See my hands?
Put your hands behind your back.
I was just sitting in private property.
Put your hands behind your back.
It was just false imprisonment. It's false imprisonment.
Yeah.
Sir.
Put your hands behind your back. Yep.
Stop resisting. Hard on me.
Stop resisting.
You're pushing hard on me.
Stop.
Can you please listen up, please? Please, sir. Please. Please. Here, thank you. Thank you.
3512. Second Avenue North, I believe.
Why are you trying to hide from us?
It's my friend's house.
Oh yeah, what's your friend's name?
Dreamer.
Dreamer?
Yes, sir. This officer seen me talking to him outside. I was just talking to him.
What's your name?
Erica.
Erica what?
What is this for?
Erica what?
What is this for?
Erica what?
I wasn't hiding. I was on
What's
the
your name?
sidewalk. All three of y'all seen me.
What's your name?
You have any weapons on you?
I was out in the open.
You were running. You were walking up and down that alley trying to hide from police.
I was talking to my
Then
friend.
when the officer goes to get out with you,
officer seen me talking to Dreamer.
that's over with.
That
What's your
lives in
name?
his house.
What's your name?
In the backyard.
Erica what?
He just parked his
That's
car.
over with. Erica what?
I wasn't hiding
What's
from
your last
anyone.
name?
What is this about?
You're going to jail. What's your name?
But this, I was in my friend's yard.
What is your name?
I was in my friend's yard.
What is your name?
It's
Last
false
chance or I'm going to get
imprisonment.
you another charge.
It's still false imprisonment,
What's your name?
officer.
Erica what?
I was on the sidewalk.
Erica
in front
what?
of
I don't
all
care.
Of y'all.
Erica what?
3 officers seen me.
Erica
and
what?
One seen me talking to my friend. Can you knock on his door, please?
Okay, you're going to get another charge.
Can you please knock
What's
on
your
his
last
door?
name? What's
Can you
your last
please knock-
name?
Can you tell me what this is about?
Yeah, you hiding from police in the alley. You did several times. Every time you saw a cruiser, you turned and walked away.
I
and you're
stood
hiding in an
right
alley
there
and
looking
you stood
at
by
y'all.
the garbage
My
can.
friend lives right here. I
Okay.
came in my friend's yard
What's your
talking to
name?
my friend.
What's your name?
Can you knock on his door for approval?
Nope. What's your name?
Yeah,
Yeah.
look, his back.
What is your name?
His backyard.
You're going to jail,
is
sir.
in the
What's your name?
alley. That doesn't make sense. My friend's yard is in the alley.
What's your name?
I'm not hiding in the alley. I'm in my friend's
You
yard.
need to identify yourself. You just ran from the police.
I didn't run from you. You came on private property.
You ran from the police. What's your name?
You came
All
on
right,
private
stand up.
property.
I don't care. Let's go.
I want to know what this was for. I
For
wasn't
you going to
hiding.
jail because you were hiding from police.
I was
You
in
kept
my
walking away
friend's
in the alley. Go.
yard.
Can you go in this one right here? Whoever this is.
I'm in my friend's yard. Dreamer!
Go.
Dreamer!
Yeah, please. Carmel.
Dreamer!
Enough. Right in my ear.
He has kids
Just because I don't want her
too.
yelling. Well, then stop
It's
yelling.
private property.
Let's not wake them up. How about that?
What's your name?
I want to know what this is about. It's false imprisonment.
No, it's not. Loitering and prowling. You're in a
I'm
place
in a
time.
friend's house.
Nope, you kept trying to
in
hide from
the
police.
alley. I wasn't hiding. I'm on the sidewalk with 3 cops.
You
right
are
there.
under arrest and need to identify yourself.
3
What's your
cops are on
name?
the side. See me on the sidewalk.
What's your name?
And then I go to my friend's house and get arrested
What's your name?
for going to a friend's house.
If she won't identify,
No, she's getting obstruction.
We'll do the face.
Yeah, we'll do
It's
faces.
false imprisonment.
No, it's not. Yeah.
You have no reason to be even IDing
Face the car.
me. You have no reason to even be IDing me.
Yeah, we do.
We're going to a friend's house.
What's your warrant for then? Because I'm guessing that's what the problem is.
I don't have a warrant.
Well, then why won't you identify yourself?
Because there's no reason for you to stop me.
There is a reason.
We're going to my friend's house.
For walking up and down the alley, and then when we go to get out with you,
to
you
my
ran.
friend's house.
You're hiding from every time you saw a cruiser,
I
you
was
turned
talking
away.
to my friend.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi. I was talking to a friend.
Hold on one quick sec. I'm gonna help you out.
Go ahead. It's Erica Freeman.
What's your date of birth? What's your date of birth?
But what is this about?
What's your date of birth?
Because it's not.
Take the picture.
It's not running from an officer because I was at a friend's house. I was going to a friend's house, so it's not running from officers going in the alley.
You ran from me.
My friend is in the alley.
I told you to stop.
I was in my friend's yard.
Doesn't mean you can run.
What was the reason for stopping me? That's as far as my legs go, I'll fall.
Do it again. Listen. Instead of making us do all this
I was in
work-
my friend's
Hey,
yard, though.
listen.
It doesn't make
Listen.
sense.
Hey, listen. Instead of making us go through all this, just tell us
I'm
your
not
name.
trying to make you go through anything. I just want to know what it's about. Going to jail for what?
Right now, loitering and prowling, and then probably whatever either you got.
It's not loitering if it's my friend's home.
You know how to do faces?
No, it's not faces.
Okay, cool.
It's my friend's house.
Now you're gonna have to upload that because you took it with that. So. Okay.
How is it loitering prowling if it's my friend's house?
We're just gonna stick her in the back. Listen, this goes a lot easier if you just tell us your name.
I've been staying out of trouble.
Okay, well.
And I haven't did nothing wrong.
Why'd you run?
You came on private property.
You were in the alley.
You're breaking the law by coming on private property.
You were in the alley, bouncing back and forth through the alley.
And talk to my friend who just went in the
every time
house.
you saw a police cruiser, you bounced the other way, evading.
So you say. I'm in my friend's yard.
Okay, either way, listen. It just goes a lot easier, and you're not going to catch an additional charge if you.
I shouldn't be charged at all because I wasn't ducking and dodging no cops. That doesn't even make sense.
Then why'd you run?
I was in my friend's yard.
Okay.
I just seen three of y'all on that road and did not run.
Right, okay.
I walked in the
your name?
alley. I actually
What's your
stopped
name?
and looked at one of you
What's your
and
name?
looked back at the other one at the end of the alley.
What's your name?
And went to my friends.
What's your name? We're going to figure it out one way or another.
What's the reason for the
I
charge?
just told you. Right now, loitering and prowling.
On private property in a friend's
It doesn't.
yard.
Okay, if it's not your property.
Prowling, really?
Yes. So,
Sir?
instead of going through all this nonsense.
Erica, I'm going to confirm your warrant.
So,
Oh.
I don't have a warrant. But anyway, prowling,
Just for now. It's open.
prowling though?
Yeah.
What is that? What is prowling? It's Erica Freeman. I already told him that.
She says it's Erica Freeman.
Under Terry versus Ohio, an investigative stop requires reasonable, articulable, suspicion-specific, objective facts that criminal activity may be afoot. In Illinois versus Wardlow, the Supreme Court held that unprovoked flight in a high-crime area contributes to reasonable, articulable suspicion. The key word is flight. Walking away and entering a friend's yard is significantly more ambiguous, and that distinction matters in court. Once contact was made, officers applied a forceful takedown. Graham versus Connor governs every use of force analysis. That 1989 Supreme Court ruling requires courts to weigh three factors: severity of the offense, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether she was actively resisting. The underlying offense was a warrant, not a violent felony. The subject verbally stated she would not run. The force applied warrants proportionality, scrutiny. Officers then charged her with loitering and prowling under Florida Statutes, Section 856.021. That statute contains a critical safe harbor provision. Alarm shall not be established if the subject provides a credible explanation of presence. The subject consistently named her friend, identified the property, and maintained she was lawfully present on private residential land. Officers never attempted to verify that account, for example, by knocking on the friend's door before adding the loitering charge. That omission is legally significant. Without disproving the safe harbor, the loitering charge faces a substantial threshold problem at trial.
Ma'am, can you sit up? Thank you. Listen, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, stand by. want to be appointed to represent you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Okay? That being said, do you wish to talk to me now? No? Okay. 10 on your last.
Compounding this, officers questioned the subject about her movements and presence before any Miranda advisement was given. Miranda versus Arizona requires advisement prior to custodial interrogation. Statements made before that warning are subject to suppression. The Miranda warning was not read until 8 minutes 3 seconds into the encounter, well after multiple exchanges about the alleged offense. When the warning was finally given, the subject invoked her right to silence. Officers honored that invocation without further questioning. That compliance is constitutionally required under Michigan versus Mosley, which holds that a suspect's invocation must be scrupulously honored. Erica Freeman receives a C+. She provided a consistent and legally coherent account of her presence throughout the encounter. She correctly, if informally, invoked the statutory safe harbor and cleanly exercised her Fifth Amendment right to silence after Miranda. However, withholding her last name for over 6 minutes while officers held lawful warrant authority served no legal purpose and produced added charges. Verbal resistance does not carry the legal weight she believed it did. Under Florida Statutes, Section 843.02, even a lawful protest does not justify obstruction of a valid warrant. The officers receive a B-. The active warrant provided unambiguous legal authority, and Miranda was ultimately administered and honored. However, the loitering charge lacks foundation without rebuttal of the statutory safe harbor, creating suppression and dismissal risk. Pre-Miranda questioning, while the subject was in custody, exposes any prior statements to challenge in subsequent proceedings. The prolonged identity standoff, despite confirmation of the full name by a bystander at 4 minutes 48 seconds, reflects a failure to use available information to resolve the encounter efficiently. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, the loitering safe harbor is a statutory defense that officers must affirmatively disprove. Failure to verify a subject's stated purpose is a prosecution liability. Second, custodial questioning before Miranda advisement creates suppression, exposure regardless of whether the arrest itself was lawful. Third, under Florida law, a subject may not resist even an unlawful arrest. Verbal protest is protected. Physical or passive obstruction is not. Knowing the distinction is the difference between 1 charge and 3. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.